entry and exit with RSI strategy. Are you tired of missing out on profitable trade? What if I told you there is a way to unlock consistent profit using the RSI indicator? Stick around this video because in this video I am revealing the secret to perfect entry and exit point with the RSI strategy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. Today we are diving deep into the relative strength index, which is the RSI, and how you can use it to make better trading decision, because decision in your trading is actually the key in your progress in Forex. Now, whether you're a beginner or you're a seasoned trader, this strategy can help you maximize profit and minimize the risks. Now, let's get started. Firstly, I want us to understand something about the relative strength index, which is the RSI. Now, the relative strength index is actually a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and the change of price movement. It measures the speed and the change of price movement. Now, look at it. Now, it is actually an oscillator. It is not a trend indicator, but it is an oscillator. Now, to set up this, simply open your trading platform just like the way I am, and what you need to do is to select the RSI indicator. Look at it here. You select the RSI indicator, and now the RSI indicator, the period by default is 14. Apply is close, and then the level by default, the level is 30 and 70. But we're going to tweak this to fit into our settings for this particular video. Now, for perfect entry, look for RSI reading that is accurate. Now, this is now what we're going to do. We're going to change this to 13. The period, we're going to change it to 13. And then the levels, we're going to change the level to 32 and 68. Now, when you get here, we're going to click buy, and here we click sell. Now, okay, let me increase this. Now look at it. Now the color here now I'm choosing is going to be blue, and look at how it is. Then you click on save and go to your settings. Now look at the settings. Look at how it is. Very clear, very clear, very clear. As simple as this. Now for perfect entry, look for RSI reading below the 32 to identify potential buying opportunity. Now once price is below 32 or at 32, you should expect what? A buy. Look at it here. Now I will tell us the pitfall of this strategy. If you do not watch to the end, you will not understand why you should not buy even when it is at that level. I will explain all those things to us. Now just stick with me in the video. Now look at it. At this particular point, you buy. At that particular point, you buy. Now look at it. At this particular point is close to 32, you buy. Now once you see price close to 32, you buy. Now when the RSI crosses back above the 30, this can also signal a strong entry. Now similarly, for selling opportunity, you look for reading above the 63. Now when the RSI fall back below the 63, it might indicate a good time for you to sell. Anyways, confirm this signal, with price action or candlestick formation pattern to increase your reliability of the strategy. That is why I said I will show us the pitfall. Now you need to understand, first things first, before you use this to be accurate, you need to understand the trend of the market. You need to understand where the market is going to. Now, the trend of the market will make you to understand if it is going to work with the RSI or if it will work with the RSI. Now, this is as simple as that. For it to work with the RSI, you need to now move with the trend. Now, if it is a trendy market such as this that you're seeing on the screen, and you see this at this particular 36, 32 region, look at what happened and look at the profit. Now, it went exactly as it is. Remember, when you are doing this, remember, if you are trading, remember your risk management. Because risk management is key to successful trading. Always set up your stop loss order to minimize potential loss. A good rule without stop loss is foolishness. But when you have good rule and you have your risk management, you are actually ahead of the market. So you have the strategy now. Using RSI for perfect entry and exit point, you can unlock profit and make your trading to the next level with this. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. Don't also forget to share this video, like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Trust me, it will be an amazing video. I'm right back again with sharing of strategy on this channel. See you in my next video very soon. I remain Mr. Joshua, that teaches traders how to trade a smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.